Now let's take a look at a new feature in Felix, which is the microdegrees. Up on the menu at the very top here, we can see courses. I click on courses and it takes me to my course dashboard. Here you can see these are my next playlists, and it's Financial Accounting Review and my next exam. This is all related to the microdegree, the investment banker, but I can always change that because I have access to all the microdegrees in Felix. So I can click on here and you can see I can do the business toolkit, the credit analyst, the research analyst, and there's also some specific skill certificates I can complete also. So there are a lot of courses that I can do here. Let's stick with the investment banker. Down below we can see the course progress, and I've got the accountant, the modeler, the valuer, and the deal maker. These are all skill certificates, and within them they will have individual courses. So I've got Financial Accounting Review, Accounting Essentials, and M&A Accounting, and these are all completion certificates. So I can open that and then I can click on the course and it will take me directly to the course playlist, which I can complete. As I go down, as normal, if there are any Excel files, I can download them here. And at the very end of the playlist, there will be a completion quiz, which I'll need to complete. So I can work through the different courses and I can complete the individual playlists and I can take the exam. And if I complete everything, I can go and get my micro degree for that particular content. Down at the bottom, you'll see that we have all our micro degree progress. And the reason we have this is that if I do accounting, in many of the micro degrees, that is part of the overall certification. So I only need to do the accounting content once, and it will be reflected on all the different micro degrees that include an accounting module. So this means I can complete multiple micro degrees, but I only have to do the content once. There's a huge amount of content within Felix, and now you can certify yourself for different job roles or skills certifications.